अहिलेसम्म हामीले के पढ्यौं भने कुनै पनि राइट एंगलमा यदि हामीलाई एउटा एंगल र एउटा साइड दिएको छ भने त्यो ट्रायंगलको रिमेनिङ दुईवटा साइड पनि हामी निकाल्न सक्छौं, राइट? नाउ the most common types of triangle that you will deal with is 30 60 90 triangle or a 45 45 90 triangle. Okay, मानौ हामीसँग 30 60 90 triangle छ. Okay, in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree. The opposite side of angle C, that is side AB, is 1 unit. अब यो ट्रायंगल मा हामीलाई लेन्थ अफ AC फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्ने छ. लेट अस सपोज है, अब यो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ABC मा we can see that AC is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. हामीलाई के दिएको छ? AB is 1 unit, that is perpendicular of this right angle triangle is 1 unit, हैन? अब हामीलाई perpendicular दिएको छ, हामीलाई hypotenuse निकाल्नु पर्यो. So we will consider that trigonometric function which will connect the perpendicular and the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Trigonometric function sin अथवा cosec ले perpendicular र hypotenuse लाई connect गर्छ, हैन? So let us use sin. We can write sin C is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, हैन? Now AB has been given as 1 unit, so we can write 1 divided by AC. अब sin 30 कति हुन्छ त? Sin 30 is 1 by 2, so we can write 1 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by AC. Therefore AC is equal to 2 units, हैन? जब हाम्रो AB is 1 unit, त्यो बेलामा AC is 2 unit provided angle C is 30 degree. अब कन्सिडर गरौं हामीलाई BC फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्ने छ. ओके, हामीलाई AB दिएको छ 1 युनिट, एंगल C is 30 degree. BC is the base of this triangle. हामीलाई परपेंडिकुलर दिएको छ, हामीलाई बेस निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. त्यसो भए हामीलाई त्यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन युज गर्नु पर्छ जसले परपेंडिकुलर र बेस अफ द ट्रायंगल लाई कनेक्ट गर्छ. त्यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन will either be tan or cot. Let us use tan in this case. Okay, tan 30 will be equal to perpendicular divided by base, हैन? We can write this as 1 divided by BC, right? अब tan 30 is equal to 1 divided by root 3, so we can write 1 divided by root 3 is equal to 1 divided by BC. Therefore BC will be equal to root 3. So when AB is 1 unit and angle C is 30 degree, in that case AC will be 2 units and BC will be root 3 unit. तपाईहरुलाई यो देखाउनुको मेन कारण के हो भने ट्रायंगल मा यो रेशियो कहिले पनि चेन्ज हुँदैन. So if you have a 30 60 90 triangle, then the ratio of the sides is going to be 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so if you consider that angle C is 30 degree and AB is now 2 units, then AC will be equal to 4 units and BC will be equal to 2 root 3 units. Okay, this will help you check your answers very quickly in the examination. Now let us say we have another 30 60 90 triangle in which angle A is 30 degree and angle B is at 90 degree. Okay, in this case the base of the triangle is AB, perpendicular of the triangle is BC and hypotenuse of the triangle is AC. अब यदि हामीले opposite side of 30 degree angle, that is opposite side of angle A, that is side BC लाई 1 unit लेख्यौं भने र हामीले same principle use गर्यौं भने we can find that AC will be equal to 2 units and AB will be equal to root 3 units. Okay, so हामीले के याद राख्नु पर्यो भने 30 degree को opposite side is 1 unit, 60 degree को opposite side is root 3 unit and 90 degree को opposite side is 2 units. Now let us consider a 45 45 90 triangle. Let us suppose triangle ABC मा angle C has been given as 45 degree, angle A has been given as 45 degree. हामीलाई के दिएको छ भने AB is equal to 1 unit. Now let us find AC. AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. AB is the perpendicular of this triangle. So we will need that trigonometric function which will connect the perpendicular and hypotenuse of a triangle. So we will use the sine function. We can write sine 45 is equal to P by H. P is AB and H is AC. We can write sine 45 is equal to 1 divided by AC. अब sine 45 को value कति हुन्छ त 1 divided by root 2 हैन. So we can write 1 divided by root 2 is equal to 1 divided by AC. Therefore AC is equal to root 2 units. Similarly we can find BC. हामीलाई त्यो trigonometric function चाहिन्छ जसले perpendicular र base of the right angle triangle connect गर्छ. That can be a tan function. We can write tan C is equal to AB divided by BC because AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. हैन. अब AB has been given as 1 unit. So AB को ठाउँमा हामी 1 लेख्न सक्छौं. We can write tan 45 is equal to 1 divided by BC. हैन. अब tan 45 को value is 1. So we can write this as BC is equal to 1. हैन. अब यो triangle मा हामीले हेर्यौं भने we calculated AC to be root 2 units and BC to be 1 unit. This was anyway evident, right? Because angle A र angle C 45 degree छ भने triangle ABC त्यतिकै पनि isosceles triangle हो, right? In which side AB and side BC are equal. So if AB is 1 unit, then BC will automatically be 1 unit. हैन. So 45 45 90 triangle छ भने त्यसको रेशियो हामी कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं 1:1 is to root 2. Take any 45 degree angle. Let us say we consider angle C which is at 45 degree. Angle C को opposite side which is side AB is 1 unit. हैन. Now let us consider angle A which is again at 45 degree. Angle A को opposite side BC is also at 1 unit. हैन. र angle B which is at 90 degree को opposite side is at root 2 units. Right? अब यो रेशियो याद राख्नु होला. यो रेशियोले तपाईहरुलाई एक्जाममा आन्सर चेक गर्न धेरै हेल्प गर्छ.